How to track cashback rewards with Chase application. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can track cashback rewards with Chase application. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, you have to open up your Chase application, log in via the application, or you could also open up a browser, head towards chase.com, navigate to their website and log in via website as well. So enter your username, password, then log in into your account. So once you logged in, from your account's home screen, you could scroll down to reward section, which will show your current ultimate rewards balance. So once you're under your reward ultimate balance, you could tap over it there. Then if you have multiple cards, you'll be prompted to choose which card reward you want to view. Then on your ultimate reward dashboard, you could see your rewards activity or any other similar kind of link. So tap on see reward activity. Once you tap on it, that will display your total and your pending points cashback, breakdown by transaction, and also the bonus category earnings as well. So that's the way to track your cashback reward with Chase, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.